They wanna ride far, you hear me? Yes, sir. Hey, we in the last lane, you know what I mean? This my environment. You see this whip that I'm driving, this my environment. I'm going crazy, so crazy, need a psychiatrist. These bitches come out of group, choke out the deuce. I know you ready to get loose, we in that coupe.
Niggas ain't on nothing, gon' make me shoot something. Doing that gun bumping, now they Forrest Gumping. Pull up in some foreign, bitch with me, she foreign. Ballin' like I'm tall, call me Michael Jordan. Niggas ain't on nothing, gon' make me shoot something. Doing that gun bumping, now they Forrest Gumping. Pull up in some foreign, bitch with me, she foreign. Ballin' like I'm tall, call me Michael Jordan. Doing all this flexing, I should have a weapon, so I got a weapon. It shoot twice when I squeeze once. This bitch wanna have me for lunch. She knocked me down while I smoke 4 blunts. Last bitch I fucked was a mixed breed, and I ain't gave a fuck since my 10 speed. Good weed, dirty money with the lick read. Send a bitch to the store for more empties. All black, everything when you see me. You just may smell me before you see me. Loud pack, yeah, I'm smoking on Keisha. Just dick feeder, I don't need her. Mix dirty soda with my reefer. I got on Fendi and Gucci at the same time. Me and Dirk bought the bitch with the same line. I'm like, swear to God, G, like I ain't lying. I said I told the bitch the same thing last night. I ain't even for the bitch, but her head right. Tell them bro nigga stop it like a red light. Automatic fully loaded with a red light.